you guys, it's your girl Star and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a few easy, simple keto meals. This meal is basically keto coconut fried chicken inside our air fryer. So if you can see in the mix here, I have coconut flakes, coconut flour, and a little bit of almond flour. I have my egg washed right there, and then I have my clean seasoned chicken. I'm mixing everything together and I'm going to put it in an air fryer. Because these are not regular chicken wings or chicken drums, I'm just going to cook a few at a time instead of just packing the air fryer just so it could cook thoroughly. And you guys know I'm on keto, so I'm going to eat my chicken with steamed cabbage. Some of them you might see, like on that one, it's kind of like a little red thing on there. For the one my partner is going to be eating, I put some red hot sweet chili dipping sauce on them. Only on a few for her, and then 2 for me, and she can have the rest because I don't really eat protein like that. I had the chicken in the air fryer for a few minutes, and you guys, that looks so delicious. Oh my god, it was so good. I wish you guys can taste it. So I'm making, of course, you guys, a chaffle. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of almond flour. I already have mozzarella cheese, cream cheese, 1 egg, everything seasoned bagel, onion powder, Creole seasoning, which is my fave, baking powder, just a dash. Mix it all together and it's going to be the best chaffle you guys ever tasted. So what I love about chaffles, you guys, is really simple, it's easy, it's quick. You just mix everything together, put it in a waffle maker, and you can make a burger, you can make a pizza, you can just make a simple waffle. It's so good, you guys, and quick and easy. So this is one of my breakfasts. I have some bacon, I'm cutting some avocado, and I have some sausages, and there you go, a easy, simple keto breakfast meal. So you guys, you can take this same recipe and you can make yourself a waffle McMuffin. Just add some sausage, cheese, and bacon. Break the waffles apart, and there you go, another simple breakfast sandwich. And the third simple Chaffel recipe, we're going to make a Chaffel pizza, you guys. So you just put some pizza sauce, some mozzarella cheese or 3 cheese, whatever cheese is your preference. Add some pepperoni. Pop that thing in the microwave for 30 seconds to a minute, and you guys, it is literally pizza. I'm not lying to you. It don't taste any, it's pizza. It's the quickest pizza recipe you can ever make. You can make it for your kids, you can make it for you, quick snack, simple and easy. You can see I put too much cheese to the point that it slipped to the side, but you guys get the picture. I hope you guys enjoyed today's simple video. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'll see y'all next time.